Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw course revenue from Thinkific using Payouts. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin withdrawing course revenue from Thinkific, first, log into your Thinkific account. Navigate to the admin dashboard once you're logged in. From the dashboard, look for the Payments section in the left-hand menu. Click on Payouts to access your payout information. Here, you will see a summary of your available funds and any pending payouts. If you've met the payout threshold, you can initiate a withdrawal. Click on the Request Payout button. A pop-up will appear with the details of your payout request. Review the payout amount and any associated fees. Select your preferred payment method from the available options. Enter any required information for the chosen payment method. After verifying all the details, click on the Confirm button to complete your request. You will receive a confirmation message once your payout request has been submitted. Check your email for updates regarding the status of your payout. Allow some time for processing, as payouts may take several business days. Once approved, the funds will be transferred to your selected payment method. For tracking purposes, revisit the Payouts section to view your payout history. If you encounter any issues, refer to Thinkific's Help Center for troubleshooting assistance. You are now ready to manage your course revenue more efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.